Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka na ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Akenya ni macanjamurwo ni muini Samido, who is now back in the country thutha wake gukorwo agicerera family yake in the USA for almost mweri umwe. Na gitumi gia Samido gukorwo agicoka bururi-ini nikio giatuma Akenya makorwo magikena muno. Samido niwe waumbũrĩra fans ake gitumi giake gukorwo agicoka bururi-ini na ihenya. Samido na Eddie celebrated their first daughter's graduation while Samido arari kuria USA together as parents. Ramondine magikenera graduation ya kairitu kao also together. Ni marakorirwo celebrate birthday ya kairitu kao Shalin and also Michael's birthday. Na reu Samido is in the country to celebrate and also attend his own graduation. Samido kuhitukira nenda ciake cia ukinyaniria ni akorwo agishare his happiness ati ni agukorwo akigraduate thutha wake gukorwo akijoin na gukorwo agithoma kuria cukuru wa JKUAT. Samido a while back shared with his followers that he went back to school gukorwo akiongerera mathomo make, something andu aingi matagikorirwo magitikia muno. But Samido ni agukorwo agiconfirm through ndomereri ino ndaihu muno agikorwo akirekereria kiuga ati riu ni akinyete ihinda ria gukorwo akigraduate, kuona ni akoretwo akiongerera mathomo university-ini wa JKUAT. Fans makorwo magicongratulate Samido ni undu wa guthie na mbere na kuinspire not only his own children but also the entire generation ati you can definitely follow your own dreams. Ona ithu tugathie na mbere na congratulate muini uyu wa nyimbo cia mugithi Samido uria thiete na mbere na kuonania ati nima we ndararugama na ati muturire wake no guthie na mbere na kutwarithia today, akionania ati nima he is finally graduating from university kuria akoretwo akiongerera mathomo make. Ndigutenderithia ndeto ici makiria ndaciaria toria cia nginyira. Make sure wa turn on your notification wa subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ukamukira video citu tucemanie na wa next one.